How to block spam calls on Truecaller. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Truecaller. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right. After that, click on Settings, and here, go ahead and click on Block. You will get to this page right here where you will be able to block spam calls. The first thing you need to do is to update your spam protection. This will allow you to get an updated list of the most reported spam calls near you to detect them quickly even when you are offline. Once the spam protection has been updated, scroll down to this section where you need to enable some of the following options depending on what suits you the best. So you can block top spammers to protect yourself from calls and messages from the most reported numbers. You can block hidden numbers to block any number that is shown as unknown or private. You can block numbers from foreign countries, so only numbers from your country will be able to call you. And you can block numbers not in the phone book, so only people in your phone book will be able to call you. After that, scroll down to the section that says block someone manually, and here you will be able to use the following options depending on your situation. So you can block a specific phone number, you can block a message sender name, you can block a country code, and you can block a number series. And lastly, feel free to scroll all the way down to the block settings section and set the how to block calls option to reject automatically. And that's it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to block spam calls on Truecaller. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.